Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to mirror Realme 10 Pro Plus screen to a PC or laptop. For screen mirroring, you need to prepare your laptop and configure wireless screencasting settings. So, the first thing to do is install a wireless display. To do that, go to Settings, here Apps, and then Optional Features. On this page, click on View Features. Find wireless display by searching here. Once you get it, please select it and click Next. Then Install. If it says couldn't install wireless display, go into Settings. Then Network and Internet. Select the network you are connected. Disable metered connection. Now try to install wireless display. It will take a few minutes to complete the installation. Once it is done, we need to configure the projection settings. So go back to the settings page. Here, click on System. Scroll down. You will see projecting to this PC. Click on it. On this page, you can set your preferences for screen mirroring. In the first drop down, you can choose between available everywhere on a secure network or available everywhere. When you don't do screen mirroring, you can select always off. The second drop down for when you want to ask permission to project to laptop. Choose between first time only or every time a connection is requested. In the third drop down, you can choose when you want a pin for pairing. You can choose between first time, always or never. To enable screen mirroring, even when the laptop is not connected to a power source, toggle off this switch. This is the PC name you will get on your phone from which you want to mirror. Now, whenever you want to project your phone screen to a laptop, open Settings. Then click on Projecting to this PC. Here, click on Launch the Connect app to project to this PC. You get the screen on your laptop. Now, on your phone, go to the quick panel by swiping down twice on the screen. Find Screencast. Tap on it. You get this pop-up screen. Tap Agree and Continue. Allow permissions. You will find your laptop name here. Tap on it. Then Start Now. It will start mirroring the screen to the laptop. To stop screen mirroring, tap the screen icon. Then stop the screencast. That's it for this video on how to wirelessly mirror Realme 10 Pro Plus screen to a laptop or PC. Thank you for watching this video. For more tips and tricks videos, please subscribe to the channel.